Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to make animate 3D flag model in Blender. Let's start. First delete this. Go to front view. Now press Shift plus A, add, plane. Now press R plus X, 90 rotate it. And here scale in X axis 3 and 2 in Y axis. Now press G, Z, move up the plane. OK. First we made basic outline of the flag. For that, press Shift plus A, add, plane, and this is for I going to make pole for the flag. Now go to edit mode, right click, merge vertex, at center. Now select it, press E to extrude like this. Now go to object mode, select the line, convert to curve. Now here data, go to geometry, bevel. Now increase the depth value. OK. Use this transform tool, rotate it and join to this plane. Now just move up. OK. I checked the pole is properly intersect with the plane. Now select the plane. OK. Before, I want to close the pole top. For that go to, here bevel, check this fill cap. Now closed. Now select the plane. Go to edit mode. Right click, subdivide. Here increase cuts to 30. Now press C, select the vertex. And this is why, because I go to tie flag to the pole. OK, go to here, add vertex group. I rename it as flag pin and assign it. Now I use this move tool, just drag like this. Now go to object mode. I just move the plane near the pole. And now select the plane. Add cloth. Here quality steps to 10. Scroll down. Before I play it, the plane goes down. Because where are not assigned here the vertex group. Shapes. Here add flag pin. I create before. OK, I play it. See here the plane collide with the pole. To fix this, scroll here. Now check to enable self-sewing. Now play it. Still it collide with pole. Because we did not apply collision to the pole model. OK, now select this pole. Now right click. Convert to mesh. Now apply the collision. Oh, sorry. Now apply collision. Let's play. See, now it's perfect. Now click Apply Shade Smooth. Now I going to add flag texture for this plane. OK, I enable this material preview mode. Here go to shade editor. Now click here new. OK, now I select this principal BSDF node. Now press Ctrl+T. It automatically add this nodes. If you don't get, just go to Edit, Preference, search here for Node Wrangler, enable it. OK, click Open here. I add this flag texture. See, now it's applied. Now play. OK, Perfect. Okay, here roughness, you can increase the quality of the texture. Now play. Now play. Perfect. Okay, now I going to add wind, make flag fly. Now press Shift plus A. Force field. Add wind. I use the move tool to move aside. And I use this transform tool rotate it. Now I select the wind, press S to scale like this. I just drag this to increase the wind force. Now play it. Oh, here no wind force. Okay, now go to here force field. Increase the strength to 2000. Now play it. Wow, nice. Okay, I now add texture for this pole. I use the Blender Kit tool. Here search for steel texture. Okay, use this, just drag and apply it. Okay, now I create base. For that, press Shift plus A. Add cube. Scale it. Go to edit mode. Press Ctrl plus R, loop cut, scroll to make 2 cuts, click to apply. Now select the face, press E to extrude it. Go to object mode. Move the base and fix to the flagpole bottom. OK. Apply texture for the base. Search here for brick texture. OK. Just drag and apply it. Now I make some adjustment in texture. Go to here shade editor. Here scale it. OK. I changed the background using the easy HDRI. Now play it. Really nice, great. OK. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.